Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Instagram font in bio. First of all guys, go back on your browser and type for font style. Go on the first selection and then here as you can see you have a text that you wanna add it on your bio. For example, the best video editor, and go with this one. Now here you have many options for which side do you want. For example, for me the best is this one. I need just to tap on it and then go select this, go cut, get back to my Instagram. Now go on the edit profile tab, and as you can see on my bio I need first this to select all of that one and then go paste the new one. Go on the tick on your right side. Here as you can see something went wrong. This means that Instagram filter doesn't allow to add some features that are not available, but here as you can see you have added this one on my bio. Let's take a look again. Now guys, we have done it. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.